I could get used to this.
Don't act too impressed, dearest, or you'll blow our cover. And James, do quit your pouting.
I'm a glorified hood ornament. What can I possibly have to pout about?
Sorry if the assignment doesn't live up to your grand expectations. Someone must watch the perimeter. If 009 slips through our fingers, you're the last line of defense.
Exhilarating. Greenway's testing you, mate. That's all. Don't give him an excuse.
The cat looks good on you, though. Really brings out your cheekbones. Take a left up ahead, James.
Taxi driver.
What's that, darling?
Just a frog in my throat.
Halt!
Is everything in order?
Routine inspection, ma'am. Won't be a moment. All clear. Please proceed.
You think if I sold a kidney, I could afford to stay for a night?
I think I have. Stayed here, I mean. A wedding back in 22.
Doesn't sound like something you'd forget.
Well, the hen was in Cannes, so we flew in by private jet. It was dark and we were drinking, so...
Can. Private jet.
What?
Nothing. Darling, nothing at all. What do you make of 009?
He was the best in his day. That was a long time ago. My guess is he's tired of running.
Greenway thinks we're being played. And since when do you trust Greenway? I never said I did.
They knew each other, though. That much is clear. Something to do with an operation called Nightfall.
Begs the question, did 009 pick Greenway out of good faith? Bad blood.
Well, we're about to find out.
Afternoon. Invitation, please.
Blake and Loretta York. Plus the help.
Welcome to the Grand Carpathian. Parking is right up ahead. Mr. and Mrs. York, enjoy your stay.
Much obliged.
Oh, they will.
Right. We're entering the premises. Team status?
Nash, delivery area. In position.
Singh, staff quarters.
Robson, conference wing. Kingsley, first floor suites. Bond. Bond.
Car park. In position.
Greenway, Grand Hall. Switching off comms as instructed. Keep a low profile and don't let your guards down. 009 most certainly won't. Out.
Not exactly the 5-star treatment. No harm in stretching my legs. Bond, reporting suspicious behavior.
009?
No, one of the hotel staff. Strangest looking bellhop I ever saw. He was mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? What are we, the local tourist board?
I guess he had to be there. It was odd. I'm gonna check it out.
You will not. 009 is our only priority. Stay at your post, James. That's an order.
Yes, Mom.
It was all over social media last year. Where have you been?
Pardon me? Need to see a man about a bag.
Afternoon, sir. Staff and press only.
Oh, damn. Forgot my press badge.
You're not the first.
Missed him. Can I duck through? I need to catch up with that bellhop.
Show me your ID and all's good.
Better go and get my ID then.
If you want to catch your bellhop.
Fair point.
I just don't see the problem. Midas predicts the markets with an unprecedented level of precision.
7 texts. Pick up, George. Pick up, pick up, pick up. George! Yeah, it's no use. I met with the whistleblower. Claims to have proof that Nivek's cheating, but they'll only talk to Hoffman. How far off is he? Well, tell him to floor it or we'll lose the scoop of the year. I stashed his press badge inside one of the big pots on the lower ramparts. I need to get back in there. It's a nail-biter. Unless you sent me all this way to report on the landscaping? Didn't think so.
Huh? What's that? What to check that?
What was that? What? Done?
Huh? A stupid thing. What was it? Well, let's see. I guess it's okay now. What? Is this a joke?
What? Gone? Interesting. Just gone. That's okay. Got all 4 drones. And what's worse is whoever they are hasn't taken credit for it.
What was that? No idea what happened there.
I just heard about it from Dushan.
Got your ID?
There. Forget my own head next.
All right. Checks out. Step into the scanner, please.
Technician set these up to power the scanner.
He's clear. You may enter, sir. Enjoy the tournament.
You run a tight ship.
Technician set these up to power the scanners, but the head of security wouldn't have it.
Member of the press.
That's what my badge says.
Continue up the stairs, please. The mezzanine is great for photos. Best view in all the house.
Good tip. But it's great for people watching.
The one in the dining hall?
Blocked.
Always nervous at these type of events. You're worried about terrorists? Relax. Nothing gets past us.
Don't mind me, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Which room is he in? Don't know. But he's getting an extra mint on his pillow. That's for sure. No one knows.
Now, let's see what all the fuss is about. There's Greenway. Hopefully I'm the last thing on his mind. What are you here for?
Bond, status.
No sign of 009. Over. This guy better be worth it.
Is that...
Better check that. Pardon me?
You know Mr. Prendergast, the author. His suitcase disappeared. Claims a bellhop took it.
Blame the staff. What else is new?
Tell Mr. Vargas if you see him. Prendergast is down in reception demanding to see the manager.
Wouldn't want to keep Mr. Prendergast waiting. Now, where do you go?
The whole cargo. Lock, stock, and barrel. The same crew raided the cruise ship a month before.
Let's see. Male, Caucasian, whitish blonde hair, approximately 6'2", spoke with an accent. Must be a foreign national. I'm sorry, Mr. Prendergast, but we simply do not have a bellhop of that description.
Ridiculous. And who made off with my bag then? I demand to see the manager.
He is on his way, Mr. Prendergast. I'm sure it's all a misunderstanding.
It better be. I'll be over here.
Mr. Prendergast, I am told you have some missing baggage.
Stolen is more likely.
Any idea where he went?
Yes, that's what I've been telling you people. I spotted him just before, going through the door marked laundry.
Laundry. That's very helpful. And what was in the suitcase?
Uncut diamonds. What do you think was in it, man? My clothes and toiletries.
Had to ask. Right, that's all I need. My office will be in touch. Please have a drink on the house.
Oh, believe me, I shall.
Can I be of assistance, sir?
Well, the blonde man is no bellhop, that's for sure. Time to do the laundry.
Grandmaster Nivik is cheating. Can you believe it? A Grandmaster?
Why not? Everybody cheats. You cheat at cards all the time.
I do not.
That's what new is.
You can't be back here.
Sorry about that.
There we are.
Hey, you can't
Burton, hotel security. Any reports of pickpocketing in this area? We have some guests who've been relieved of their jewelry.
Some people have no shame. Hope you catch them.
That's the plan.
Let's see. Gosha's down with the flu. Ivanka's on holiday. Lucian's in recovery. We're just down to the wire today.
When it rains, it pours.
What the heck was that? Oh, I think I'm gonna... Oh. I don't know. Oh.
Hey, you're not allowed here.
Sorry, of course.
Thank you for your understanding. Everybody, move it!
Down with the flu. Ivanka's on holiday, Lucian's in recovery. We're just down to the wire today.
When it... Oh, I think you have the wrong room.
Sorry.
Here we are. When it rains, it pours.
What? I think you should leave. Here you are.
Oh, that was unpleasant.
Let's see. Gosha's down with the flu. Ivanka's on holiday. Lucian's in recovery. Down to the wire today.
Are you lost, sir?
Easy now. I'm leaving.
Let's see. Gosha's down with the flu. Ivanka's on holiday. Lucian's in recovery. Just down to the wire today.
When it rains,
it 1805. Battle of Trafalgar. Easy.
Guess it was nothing.
Let's see. Gosha's down.
Eleanor, don't be such an old maid.
I'm serious. That guy had some tattoos.
5K. Half now, half later. Make sure no one follows.
You got it, friend.
Who was that guy?
That, Stefan, was your fairy godmother.
Huh? Where are you heading?
Easy now. Take it easy, I don't want any trouble.
Just relax, and you won't get hurt.
Bloody fool! Don't let him
Right after this bulletin, we have a report from our correspondent in the region of West Africa that is reported to have seen the greatest increases in arms trafficking. And it's the rumored location of a 45
That's gone!
so-called dark sets are announcement. When this is ready to share one of the winners in early trading on the back of rumors of a forthcoming major announcement. Some analysts predict this to be the first sign of a reversal of the recent downward trend that has dominated markets across all sectors.
You hear that?
Stand aside!
I'm gone.
You're on your last legs!
Cressida? All is quiet in the car park.
Good. Let's keep it that way. Stay vigilant.
You're the boss. Must have taken the scenic route.
See? No one's in here.
Silent alarm didn't trigger itself. Check the windows.
I'll be damned.
Hey, Laszlo, look at that.
Yeah, I see it. Maybe the wind caught it.
Or somebody isn't here. Watch your back, fellas.
Stay calm. There'll be an arm.
He's shifting! Someone call him!
Come in!
Let me try. I'm ready. Move aside. Stand aside. Right behind. What's his distance? We should have. Let me try. Stand aside. Right behind me. Let me.
Sorry, fellas. Desperate measures.
What?
Hey! What's wrong? Hey! Say something.
That's right. Move along, folks. Nothing to see here. Monroe, I need your help.
Took you long enough.
The blonde man. He's changed his disguise. I knew he was up to something.
Yeah? How'd you know he's not a thief?
He doesn't move like a thief. He moves like a soldier. I'm telling you, something's not right.
Look, I might have seen a bloke who fit the bill. Tall, blonde. Only he was in a suit. Went by the name of Locke.
Where was this?
Over at reception, a little while ago. He was heading upstairs.
Thanks, mate.
Hey, you didn't hear it from me.
Chief, it's Christoph. Come in, Chief. Kovac, do you copy? Nadia, have you seen Chief Kovac around? He's not answering his comms.
He went up to room 206 with that gentleman from the insurance company.
Right. Blonde fella.
You want me to check up on him?
Nah, it could wait. They're probably going over security features now. That chest trophy is worth
Look,
$40.
if you're so worried about Ezra's
I just
room
overheard a
206,
pair of guests complaining about loud thumps and noises coming from one of the second floor suites. Room 206. What do we think?
Saying who stays in 206?
A Mr. Locke, VIP from Rhinestone Insurance. He's working with the hotel's chief of security.
I highly doubt that 009 has spent his exile selling insurances.
Tim's Moscow ties weren't bad.
I'd say it's none of our business.
Copy that.
So we'll have to play the meritocratic game, just like everyone else, I'm afraid.
well, I feel for him. The competition is tough.
Where are you
My
going?
head feels so heavy.
206. Should be right around here.
Post-op recovery should last a few more weeks. He'll be back on crutches soon enough with a brand new knee and a bruised ego. I guess he got lucky. A fall like that? Maybe that'll teach him not to horse around on a second-floor ledge after a night of drinking. Chief Kovac had a mind to ban after-hours activities altogether.
You're exaggerating. You don't always do my thing.
Oh? Last year, America's Cup. The year before that, Monaco Grand Prix. Shall I keep going, Malcolm?
Barcelona 2021. Your thing.
My aunt's funeral.
Yes, well...
You know what? I don't need this. I'm out.
She'll come.
That's odd. Better check that. What could, looks very, no idea what that was.
Oi! What the bloody hell are you doing in our room?
There is building inspector. Just checking for asbestos.
I see.
Make yourself comfortable. Won't take a minute.
Well, is there asbestos?
Inconclusive. Enjoy your stay.
Outrageous.
Now, what happened here? Monroe?
Aye, Detective.
I'm in 206. It's a mess. Stay on the line. I'll have a look around.
This should be good.
Good fit for a body. I found a keycard holder, minus the keycard.
Could mean anything, mate. Don't jump to conclusions.
Found a wall suit, size XL. This guy changed his disguise again.
Or he changed his outfit. Small word, big difference.
Monroe, this isn't some party that got out of hand. These are signs of a struggle. And someone put up one hell of a fight.
If that's the case, where's the body?
Good question. I found the chief of security's wallet. It's full of cash. Doesn't look like a robbery.
He might have dropped it.
In the fireplace? Monroe, this is serious. The blonde man did something to the chief of security, I'm sure of it.
Okay. So why? And how is this connected to 009?
Not a clue. Yet. Call you back.
Housekeeping.
Jet lag. Gets me every time. A chef? How does he manage to change clothes so fast?
Anyone else feel that? Sing, talk to me.
I'm picking up some chatter about a power surge in the electrical room. It crashed the security system, but there doesn't appear to be any permanent damage. Nothing to indicate foul play.
Copy that, Sing. Keep an eye on it. Everyone else, step up your search.
Monroe, listen to me. The blonde man, the missing security chief, the power surge, 009. Somehow it's all connected.
Look, say you're right. What's his game?
I don't know, but Greenway said 009 is a master manipulator. If he knew what we know, he'd pull the plug for sure.
Okay. I'll look into it. Where are you now?
Back in the blonde man's trail. He won't slip away this time.
Is he really pushing the ball right now?
He is.
Bloody hell. I can't watch.
It's lucky that the emergency generators kicked in. We'll still be out of power.
Security system is still offline though. I've coded a red flag. It's not my problem the scanners are down, and I can't wait.
That's him. Now what's in those crates?
I have a 12-course meal to prepare.
This is a direct security violation.
Relax. It's force majeure. It's not like anyone knew.
Mr. Kovac will hear about
He'll thank me at dinner.
Asshole.
Goodness, you really do know everything. You ought to be with MI6. Maybe I am.
He must have gone down this
I
way.
don't know what happened. I was on a shift at the delivery gate and suddenly, BAM! Cold sweat, stomach cramp. Barely made it back.
Thanks for that.
There. Gotta hurry.
Bond, your hunch was right. I found your missing security chief stuffed inside a laundry cart in the basement.
I knew it. Monroe, the blonde man smuggled something in on a truck while the security scanners were down. Something heavy.
Oh, this is bad. I'll inform Cressida. Don't let this guy out of your sight.
Oh, he was just here. Went into the stuff.
You again.
That's right. The maid is picking a lock. Now you've seen everything.
Well, that was close.
Get used to it.
James, whatever you think you're doing, stop. You're in over your head.
Yeah, tell me about it.
This is insubordination. Get back to your...
Knew it. There was something in those crates. Hey! Blocked. stairs. Missed him again.
This is amazing. Don't think I've tried it before. Is it your own concoction?
I can't take credit, I'm afraid. The hotel owner has a huge collection of mixology books.
Can you believe this brat? Down in front.
Impossible. A secret passage. Of course. Empty. Six dials. Take more than blind luck. Oh, come on. Nothing to it. Monroe, status.
Wine cellar. I have eyes on the suspect. He's unpacking something.
Cressida?
I tried. She wouldn't listen.
Engage. Break cover if you need to.
I don't know about this.
Damn it, Monroe, there's no time to wait for permission. We need to act now.
This is the last time I'm saving your ass. Eyes on target. 009 just entered reception, heading straight for the Grand Hall. The blighter's not even in disguise.
I see him. Everyone reposition. Cover the exits. Monroe, what's your status? Monroe, copy.
He's busy. Cressida, you need to call it off. Something bad's about to happen.
James, what have you done? Where's Monroe?
Almost there. No. Hang
down.
What's that? A bomb?
How many of you there are? How many of you there are?
Calm down. Focus. Okay, where's the off switch?